Nothing beats the smell of fresh mangoes in the morning.
First rule of farming: clean hands make sweet fruit.
Eat up, Bessie. We have a big day ahead.
All right, beast mode, ON. Let's roll. Cruising down Mango Avenue. Look at these beauties.
Is this one ready? Smells like perfection. Whoops! Note to self, gravity still works.
Mission accomplished. That's a haul worthy of a king. And now for the splash zone. Yee-hoo!
Whoa! This mud is no loke, but I got the power! Full throttle!
Okay, little guy, focus. The harvest waits for no monkey. Let's get to work.
Safety Inspector Panda reporting for duty. Everything looks distinctively clean.
Boss! Hold the shipment! I'm on my way. Don't leave without the mangoes.
Just a panda, his tractor, and a beautiful day for a ride. Do-do-do.
Why are these logs heavier than the tractor? Needs more muscle!
Stack 'em high, stack 'em neat. Winter is coming, gotta be ready. All right, time to slice this up. Precision is key, my friends. A little leverage here, a little push there, and woo! We are unstuck.
Steady, steady. Steady. We made it! It is a beautiful day to harvest. Let's go get some yummy mangoes. Oof. These are heavy, but they are going to be so delicious.
Washy washy. We need clean rice for the best sticky rice ever.
In you go, little grains. Time to cook up some magic.
Mix it up. Smell that? It is getting fluffy and perfect.
One big scoop for me! Okay, maybe 2 big scoops.
And now for the secret ingredient. Look at that creamy goodness drip.
Bon appetit to me. Oh, wow, this is sweet perfection.
I am so full. That was amazing. I think it is time for a little nap.
Oops, got a little sticky. Time to scrub a dub-dub and clean this face.
All right, time to fire up the beast and get to work.
Whoa there! I think I need a license for this thing.
Gotcha. One for the basket and, nope, stay in the basket.
Heavy load coming through. Make way for the Pear Express.
Hey! Come back here, you round rebel! Ah!
Meow? Since when does it rain fruit underground? Hello? Did my lunch just go on an underground adventure?
Parked it. Now, where are those delicious pears hiding?
Going down! Operation Pear Rescue is officially a go.
A ride to the surface? Don't mind if I do. Thanks, buddy.
Ouch! Okay, gravity definitely works today.
Walking is hard. I think I need some wheels.
Now we're talking. Full speed ahead.
Wait a minute! That big yellow toy looks even better!
This is the captain speaking. Let's rock and roll! Digging duty. Watch out, dirt. Here I come.
Hey up there! A little lift, please?
Hold on tight, kitty. Operation Rescue is in motion.
We did it! Best team ever!
Bình an. Bạn cần ngủ một giấc thật ngon, bạn ơi.
First things first, gotta keep my best buddy squeaky clean. Scrub-a-dub-dub.
There we go. Now you are all dry, fluffy, and looking possum again.
Hygiene check complete. Now, let's get some vitamins.
In you go. Let's mix up something super delicious and healthy. Steady hands. Look at that perfect green energy juice.
Tasty. Sorry, kitty. This super fuel is just for me.
Hello? Is anybody home? Looks like the well is dry. That is a big problem. How are we gonna water the banana trees now?
Don't worry, I have a plan. Time to bring out the big toys.
Hop in. Let's get to work and dig a new well.
And we are rolling! Look out, world! Here comes the digging master!
All right, precision mode on. Let's see what's hiding in this canal.
Hey! That's expensive equipment. Let go, buddy!
Uh-oh. I think I just knocked on the wrong door.
Excuse me, coming through. No time for autographs, Mr. Croc. Whew. Building is hard work. Did I tighten that last bolt? Probably.
First things first. I need a master plan for the ultimate digging machine.
Sparks are flying. This beast is coming together perfectly.
Time to prepare the ultimate delicious bait.
Steady. Steady. Parking in the perfect spot.
This buffet looks too good to resist.
Meanwhile, a hungry visitor is looking for a snack.
My compliments to the chef.
Gotcha! Enjoy your stay, big guy.
Hello? Animal rescue? I have a package for you.
Rescue Panda here. Good job, Agent Monkey. We are on our way. Just another busy day saving the wildlife. Let's get this truck moving.
Welcome to the riverside, big guy.
Thanks.
I've got a special delivery for the water department.
Going down. Enjoy your new home, Mr. Croc, and stay out of trouble.
Digging holes and singing songs. Who knew construction work could be this fun?
Jackpot! Look at these beauties! Enough for a banana split the size of a tractor!
Fueling up. Being a farmer is hungry work. Time for a snack break. 1 basket, 2 baskets. Whew. We are going to feed the whole village with these.
Time for a maintenance check. Gotta make sure this beast is ready to roll.
Ooh, look at this color. A perfect mango for a perfect day.
Move over, everyone! I'm the real star of this farm show now.
What a beautiful day! Time to pick some snacks before work.
Hey buddy, why the long face? Are you feeling okay?
All right, let's open up the toolkit. Every problem has a solution.
Hold on. Dr. Monkey is on the way with the rescue kit.
Steady. Steady. Just a little pull and... Gotcha!
Whoa! I didn't know I could fly. Coming in for a landing.
There, you were so brave.
Ouch. That looks super uncomfortable. No wonder you were sad.
Mission accomplished! We fixed the problem!
And now, a little bit of medicine to make it perfect. Safety first.
She weighs a ton. I'm gonna need more than just a banana to fix this.
Time to roll out the heavy metal. Hold on, Betsy.
Whoa, look at these toys! I think I'll take the big yellow one.
This is way better than swinging from trees. Vroom, vroom.
All right, game face on. Operation Save the Cow is a go. Don't worry, old girl. The express elevator has arrived.
Easy, easy. Left lever for up, right lever for... Oh, wait, I got this. Oh!
You are now cleared for takeoff. Please keep your hooves inside the vehicle.
Safe and sound. Now, about my payment. Got any fresh milk?
Breakfast time, buddy. Eat up so you grow big and strong like me. You are my best friend. Who's a good cow?
You are.
Time to hit the road. The farm work won't do itself. Let's roll.
Wait a minute, is that smoke? That is definitely not supposed to happen.
Oh my bananas! We have a situation here! Panic mode is on!
Fear not. Firefighter Monkey is here to save the day. Stay cool.
That was close. Now, did I fix it? Or did I break it more?
I can fix this. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Just a little twist here.
Oops. Wrong wire. Okay, that definitely made it worse.
Hello, mechanic. Yeah, it's me again. I'm gonna need a tow truck and maybe a pizza.
Uh-oh. I don't think it's supposed to make that barbecue smell.
Fear not. The Panda Rescue Squad has arrived. What did you break this time?
Wow, you really cooked this thing. Good thing I brought my tools. Come on. Just move 1 inch. Did this thing gain weight?
Next time, maybe stick to a tricycle. But hey, nice try, champ.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Just needs a little panda magic.
See? Engines need oil, buddy, not banana smoothies. Lesson learned?
Okay, which one is the go button? Please don't be the eject button.
It's alive! Look at me! I'm basically a professional driver now!
Cruising through the vines. I was born for the farm life, baby. Okay, strawberries are done, and now it is time for some juicy grapes.
Look at this haul. I am going to make the best drink ever.
Into the pool you go, my little purple friends.
Whoops, things are getting a little wild in here.
Ah, perfect. Nothing beats a fresh fruit smoothie.
Hello there, little duckies. Enjoying a swim?
First step to a delicious snack is hard work in the garden. Run, duckies, run! Make way for the big guy! Uh-oh. Someone uninvited is crashing the party.
Wait a minute. I think this strawberry is bigger than my head.
Nope, nope, nope. We are not snacks today, Mr. Gator. Move those legs.
Hold on, the getaway vehicle is just ahead. Engage turbo boost.
Come on, Betsy! Wake up! Don't fail me now, my legs are too short for this.
Oh, you want a piece of this heavy machinery? I dare you, scale face.
Mission accomplished. The platoon is safe. Good work, team. Uh-oh. That cloud looks like it woke up on the wrong side of the atmosphere.
Well, there goes my picnic plans. At least the ducks are enjoying the free pool party. Whoa! Okay, maybe this tool is a bit too big for me. I'll stick to the rake.
Nothing beats a cruise in the woods. Look at me go, king of the road.
It's like playing Tetris, but with heavy logs and way more splinters. Just one more. Perfect fit. Structural integrity check complete. If it can hold me, it can hold the roof. Or maybe I'm just doing chin-ups.
Okay, hard work is over. Now, I am officially searching for a nap spot.